my channel where I do art and fashion DIYs the glam way. We're all about the glam on this channel, then you're gonna love this super huge Shein haul I did for you guys today. I'm gonna be modeling a lookbook, giving you guys my pros and my cons about the company, telling you guys about the quality, the customer service, and the shipping. Was it worth it with the quality, and if they're gonna last, and I'm just so excited to show you guys how I wore them and when I'm gonna wear them, and I even wore some of them on my trip to New York City. So I'm so excited to show you guys those photos and to model all of them for you. I got so many steals off anything that I bought. They're all on sale for limited time only, and the link's in the description box below. Make sure to check them out before everybody else does because they're gonna be gone super fast. I mean, with these glam and super cute clothes, who could say no? I absolutely loved everything I got, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So with a little sparkle and a tiny dash of glam, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, this first outfit is actually not from Shein. It's from Zara, which I got my trip to New York City. I'm only using it to show you guys my accessories, but don't worry, there's 8 more outfits to come, and I'm sure you're gonna love each and every single one of them. The only negative thing about Shein is her shipping, which can be a real pain in the neck. I've had orders come in 3 days or 3 weeks, both with express shipping, which is an extra $13. I advise you to buy things in mini orders rather than one large order, as it will take 1 to 2 months to arrive. Always read reviews so you'll know if the purchase is worth it or not, and wait to buy brand new items unrated. The clothes and accessories come in logoed zip plastic bags, which I personally save when I travel. It's not the best, but I've never had an issue with wrinkles, tears, or broken products. So the first shoes I got from Shein are these Faux Pearl Decor Kitten heels, which were $21 I purchased them, but now $13 on sale. They are black suede, and they are elegant stilettos, beautiful, and I absolutely love them for all seasons. The next accessory purchase is this 3D flower faux pearl detail shoulder bag. It's absolutely lovely. It also comes in the color of a blue-gray. It's casual but gorgeous, and I absolutely adore the flower, applique, and the pearl detailing. If you love a classy and elegant bag with great quality, then this is the bag for you. The bag has 5 stars on the site and is absolutely my favorite bag in the whole world. It can carry 3 lip glosses and more, has a huge pocket, and a little pouch for coins. For originally $33 but now on sale for $26, this huge bag is definitely a steal. Sadly, the Chanel-like fake black and white diamond ring is actually not on the Shein website. I DIY'd it myself. But what is on the Shein website are these lip design reversible stud earrings, which have pearls and red lips on the backs. These are my go-to everyday earrings. I absolutely love them. They were $4, and sadly they are out of stock on the website, but I would check again because they can come back in stock anytime soon. The second bag I purchased that goes with every outfit in my closet is this beautiful quilted twist lock chain shoulder bag in blush. Has a gorgeous mini pocket and burgundy interior with a gold clasp. I originally purchased it for $18. I mean, what a steal, but right now it's on sale for $13. I don't know about you, but this pink beauty is an absolute must in my wardrobe, and I love the gold details on the straps. This $5 rhinestone bow-tied pin makes the Chanel inside of me scream.
Sitting in my room, thinking about all the crazy things we...
Hey guys, this is my puppy Charlie, and like me, he can't resist a white fur stole or being in front of a camera, so you guys are gonna see him in the next video. I saw this shirt and my heart about exploded. This faux fur embellished t-shirt is $8 on sale and absolutely magical. I've got so much worn out of it, and it's not cheap, it's amazing quality. I paired the t-shirt with these T-strap studded ballet flats in white. It also comes in red and black, and they remind me of Louboutins. I would recommend ordering a size small as they are big. They look even better in real life, and I love the studded details. Also, they were on sale for $22 after being originally $29. To complete this awesome 100% girly girl outfit, I paired it with this gray tulle skirt, and I love how it swirls around you. A tulle skirt definitely brings an outfit together. Doesn't it just look so beautiful? And my shoes definitely give it the perfect sparkle, and I am wearing my pearl earrings. And oh my gosh, how did Shein know this was gonna be the key to my heart? This pearl beading textured faux fur coat and blush is absolutely stunning. I am in love. It's a girl's dream coat. It has pink fur, leather, and pearls all on it. It's absolutely insane. It's originally $80, but on sale for $33. What a steal! This elegant and classic coat also has the beading continued on the back, and is probably one of the softest things you're ever gonna feel in your entire life. Seriously, Shein, it's your fault I'm wearing this in the middle of summer because I love it. Honestly, this is just one of those coats that has amazing quality and will last you forever if you take really good care of it. I don't think there was ever a more Jordan coat, to be honest.
Can't help but smile, laugh a bit, 'cause I know you're my perfect fit, even though we're pretty opposite.
So for my third outfit, I have these pearl detail waist wide leg pants. Originally $13, but now on sale for $11. They're wide leg and go up to your mid waist and are perfect for spring and fall, but a little thin for winter. The tightly sewn pearl flowers are the perfect little glam detail. To top off the pants, I paired with the J. Crew blouse and the faux pearl beret hat, which was $8 on sale. I also paired it with the black heels and the black bag. It looked absolutely stunning, and this hat is so beautiful. I love it, and the quality is insane.
But you're the apple of my eye, the reason there are blue skies all the time, and everything I do, I wanna do it.
This is actually one of the blouses I wore in New York City. It's so lovely. It's the tie neck lace applique mesh yoke top in black. It comes in white and also in baby blue, and it's $13. And I paired it with this red mesh dotted black feather hat for my mom.
See it now in my head like a photograph.
So for the fifth outfit, I'm wearing this mesh contrast lace dress in white, and it's absolutely lovely. The cutout details are beautiful, and it's the perfect summer dress. It's $39, and it comes with a shift underneath so that the bottom part is sheer. Paired it again with the T-strap white studded ballet flats, and it's absolutely the cutest combination ever. The dress is airy and light, and it's absolutely a must-have for my wardrobe, and I already have a special occasion where I'm going to wear it too. I love how it has short sleeves and also a high neck.
Said those words, I never saw it coming. Caught me by
So this next t-shirt is $7 on sale from $10, and is the mixed print top on Shein. So cute, you can dress it up with skirts or wear with jeans. It's adorable, I love it. Then when you pair it with the faux fur coat and blush, which is $28, originally $38, it looks so Parisian, so chic. I love this combination and this outfit. It is one of my favorites. It's my go-to when I'm going out. It's so me. And the pants I'm wearing with this outfit are the black and white polka dot ones from Old Navy, which give it a classic vibe and totally match the look I'm going for. And to top it off, I paired it with the black pearl beret.
never gonna leave ya, leave ya. You're always gonna be there.
This organza floral applique lace dress with a satin shift is actually out of stock and erased from this site. It was originally $120, and I got it on sale for $30. The pink lace and the details with the flowers are absolutely beautiful. It is such a classic girly and feminine gown, and I absolutely love wearing this dress all summer and spring long. It looks absolutely perfect with also my white flats as well. I love this perfect summer set of the Frayed tape applique tweed top and shorts. So stunning. I love the gold and black embroidery. And this I actually had to send back and get a refund for, and it went very smoothly, and they sent me the other size very quickly. So props to the customer service. They were all super sweet and very kind.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo.
So for my bonus item, I thought this sweatshirt was super cute, so I got it in the men's small. Shh, don't tell anyone, it'd be our little secret, but I thought it was adorable, and it's so cozy and soft, absolutely love it. Shein's website is easy and accessible with straightforward and clear categories. It's super easy to search for a size, color, fabric, or an article of clothing since the 10-year-old company has thousands of pages of different styles. As you guys know, my style is very classic, mostly pink, and girly girl glam, and I like to purchase clothes I feel confident, stunning, and most especially unique or eye-catching in. My Shein purchases will be my most worn and are my favorite in my closet. It's so refreshing and exciting to be able to spend hours and shop on a site that updates daily with hundreds of options you just won't see anywhere else. Also, the pricing may look like a dream, but trust me, this one comes true. The quality is not Dior or Prada or even designer, but the clothes look and in my case exceed the product images online. Shein's famous for taking designer and popular trends and reselling them for a cheaper price that looks really similar to the expensive versions. This is perfect for me and others like me to be able to not spend thousands or even hundreds of dollars at a time on fancy clothes for my wardrobe and still be able to wear good quality pieces. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you loved my Shein haul, and I can't wait to see how you guys style the pieces. Also guys, make sure that you join the Glam Dump. And hit that huge subscribe button and make sure that your bell notifications are turned on so you never miss when I post my videos or miss out on my new Glam Lover challenges. I'm so excited. That next video is going to go up in next week and I'm so excited to show you guys. So make sure you don't miss out on all the things that are going on in the Glam Dump. I'm wishing you all an absolute glamtastic day and I'll see you princess and princesses in the next video.